The Morakniv Companion is the go-to fixed blade knife loved by outdoor enthusiasts worldwide. Crafted as the ultimate companion alongside an axe and saw, the Morakniv Companion is tailored for Swedish forests, but finds its place anywhere adventurers roam. Let's delve into why this knife reigns supreme. For starters, its affordability is a standout feature, making it an ideal entry knife for those venturing into bushcrafting, camping or hiking. With a scandi grind, it's easy to sharpen, making it perfect for beginners honing their sharpening skills. Plus, its lightweight design makes it a seamless addition to your backpack for those long hiking trips. Now let's talk about the design. Inspired by the timeless classic, the Puukko, the Morakniv Companion boasts a scandi grind, straight spine and stick tang construction, reminiscent of its Finnish predecessor. The Morakniv Companion comes in various iterations, catering to different needs. First up, we have the Standard Companion, the most versatile of the bunch, with a blade thickness of 2.5mm for stainless steel and 2mm for the carbon steel version. For those seeking more robustness, there's the Companion HD, standing for heavy duty, featuring a 3.2mm blade thickness, ideal for heavy-duty tasks. And for adventurers who want to be prepared for anything, there's the Companion Spark, equipped with a fire steel in its handle, ensuring you stay warm and can start a fire anywhere. When it comes to steel, Morakniv offers two choices, stainless or carbon. Stainless steel, like 12C27N used here, is rust resistant and easy to sharpen. On the other hand, carbon steel is known for its sharpness and durability. Moving on to the handle. Crafted from plastic with a rubber overlay for enhanced grip and comfort. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip in various positions, even with prolonged use. In the Morakniv Companion series, you'll find specialized versions as well, like the Rescue SRT and SRT Safe, tailored for rescue teams, as well as fishing knives, electrician knives and service knives, all sharing the same comfortable handle design and crafted from Sandvik 12C27N steel. Each companion comes with a hard plastic sheath, easily attachable to a belt or pocket. The clip also makes it possible to attach it to a shirt button. The knives fit snugly and are effortlessly retrieved single-handedly, thanks to the thumb rest. In summary, the Morakniv Companion series offers a versatile array of knives designed to tackle any outdoor adventure or task with ease. Whether you're a seasoned bushcrafter or a novice camper, there's a companion for you. For more information and to explore the full range, visit knivesandtools.com today.